Howdy. This morning, Gary woke up with this MaxxFan going bonkers. It sounded like somebody was pressing the button left and right. It looks like the control panel got some water in there, which was causing all of the ruckus. The synopsis so far is that we do not have a roof leak. However, there are some opportunities for insulating this a little better. Oh, the sky is falling! Yeah, it kind of sucked. It didn't work. It happened again. So I started doing a little bit of research on the internets and found out that this is actually a common problem with the MaxxFans. Quite interesting, huh? If water gets on that circuit board, the circuit board may short out. There's a simple solution to that, which is a process called conformal coating. It's usually this protective layer that is added to a board in order to prevent water from having any problems. For the life of me, I cannot figure out why MaxxAir would not have put that on these, but nevertheless, we are where we are. I have 2 of these fans, so I've got to fix that. So I purchased some spray can conformal coating and I started tearing apart our fans in order to fix the circuit board. So I'll take you along on how I did that. The first step is to remove the fuse from your electrical panel. Now the next is we need to get to that board, which means you have to remove the fan screen and then unscrew the 4 screws holding that fan piece in. Once you get that done, you'll disconnect the connector to your motor. You'll also, unfortunately, need to cut wires for the power and ground, unless you have a connector. I did not. There are a couple of components on the circuit board that you're going to want to tape off. Alright, I'm outside and I'm going to be using this silicone conformal coating. I have the circuit board kind of taped up. One coat down. Okay, this is the controller with this conformal coating. Probably about 6 or 7 layers. I just kind of did it as much as I thought. There's a nice gloss to the board now. In pretty good shape. So I'm going to take the little masking tape that I used. Yeah, I think it's ready to install.